In this video, you'll learn how to set up tramline control on the matrix and the specific steps to activate the section control function. First, you'll configure the tramlines. To do this, start on the home screen of the control terminal and switch to the tramline control level. There, select the right tab at the top for tramline configuration. Now, set the working width of the crop protection sprayer. To do this, select the working width on the left side. Plus and minus buttons will appear on the right side. Use these buttons to set the working width of the crop protection sprayer. Next, specify how many seed rows should be within the tramline. To do this, select the middle value on the right side of the terminal. Using the plus and minus buttons, you specify how many seed rows should be within the tramline. At the bottom of the screen, a graphic shows the dimensions of the currently set tramline. In the next step, you set which side of the machine you want to start with at the edge of the field. You can find this setting at the top left. If the left side of the machine is at the edge of the field, select the left symbol. For the right side, select the right symbol if the right side of the machine is at the edge of the field. This setting is important to ensure that the tramline rhythm works correctly later on. Once the tramline configuration is set, activate the automatic tramline switching. To do this, switch to the left tramline tab at the top. At the top right, you can turn the tramline switching on or off using the Auto button. In the top left area of the screen, you can also determine whether the tramline switching should be controlled by the integrated machine sensors or by GPS. With the machine sensors, the machine automatically counts the rows and switches off the corresponding rows at precisely the right time. For this to work correctly, you must drive track to track. Alternatively, you can have the tramline switching controlled by the parallel driving system, if this function is available and activated in the parallel driving system. To do this, set the function to GPS. This means the tramline switching is controlled by the GPS position. With that, the tramline switching is fully set up. Finally, let's take a look at section control. To do this, switch from the user page to the field level. On the right side, you'll find the button for section control. You can activate the function using this button. In combination with the parallel driving system, the machine detects already worked areas and automatically switches off the corresponding rows. Now the tramline switching is set up according to your needs. Wishing you a successful season.